Annyeonghaseyo, Leah Jane.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, walay classic? Hindi? Wala. Ano man?
Kuan ka lang. Ano mo to sa
Okay, so I'm here to deliver your 2 trays of eggs, and you also have 1 chooks to go and 1 can. Okay, and that is from Handolni.
Handolni, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye bye. Shurika.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver since Andrea is in the school. So she have 2 trays of eggs, 1 can, and 1 chooks to go, and also 2,000 pesos for Andrea, and that is from Handolni.
Handolni, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Andrea.
Okay, and also Tiny and Anna, they have 2,000 pesos each. Okay, please receive and take a video, and that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Tiny and Anna.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver 2,000 pesos each for Jandy. Okay, ito ha. Kim Jane 2,000. Okay, Janice 2,000, and for Romilin, she's in the school. Okay, 2,000. Okay, and that is from Amagetonim. Okay, bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Melissa.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so since Hyacinth have a class today, so she have 2,000 pesos. Okay, and that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida
Okay.
for Hyacinth.
Bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Angie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so Jaisel and Jinab, they have class. Okay, so I'm here to deliver their money, 4,000 pesos each, for the total of 8,000, and please count. Okay, and that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for Giselle and Zainab.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, good afternoon Giselle and Zainab.
Annyeonghaseyo, good afternoon.
Since earlier kay tumamo sa eskwelahan, so ako ay nag-receive sa inyo para sa inyo ha. So karon is ako ni siyang ihatag sa inyo ha. Okay, so Giselle, you have 4,000, and also Zainab 4,000. Please kung count lang, ihapan ninyo kung 4,000 ba gyud. Sakto? Okay. So that is from Amagetonim.
Amagetonim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Kumusta ang pag-eskwela?
Okay, Roger.
Okay ra? Hangak di. Hangak hindi ko li. Pero fighting.
Fighting.
Okay. So study well. Skwilag tarong ha. Okay. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Cheska ni Liza.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Tubunim give you 100 each.
Tubunim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Jocelyn. Okay, so good evening. So, I will be giving you 100 pesos for your sa to ate? Allowance and Manila paper. So, 100 ha. Apil na lang po ni sa imuhang transportation. Kasigo ka? Okay, so this is for your transportation fee, allowance, and for your Manila paper. So, I guess your Manila paper will only cost mga 20, 10, ano. So, imuha ang the remaining money will be your allowance and transportation fee for this week, ha? So, do not be shy to ask teacher if wala na'y ma-pliti, okay? And you're also saying that you will be joining Girl Scout. So, you ask your teacher about the Girl Scouts uniform. Kung tagpila ha. Oh, so that we will also purchase. Okay? So, ingon ka nga mopalit man ka no. So, you ask your teacher how much will it cost and I will be giving you as well. Okay?
Yes, teacher. Siyanggo ni nagigam na rin ni kamsamida.
Okay, sige. So, update me ha about the Girl Scouts uniform fee. Okay, bye-bye, Ate. Kamsahamnida.
Annyeonghaseyo, Nikki.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, asa man ang imong assignment? Okay, mao ni siya. This is the assignment of Nikki. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Very good. Okay, I will retest you, ha? Okay. 8 times 4.
32.
9 times 8.
72.
6 times 8.
48.
4 times 9.
36.
2 times 9.
2 times 9,
80. So, 7 times 7.
49.
8 times 4.
32.
8 times 2.
16.
4 times 4.
16.
3 times 7.
21.
9 times 8.
72.
Okay, very good. So, congrats. You pass. So, wala na kayo buhaton, no? So, that's all. This is from Nikki. Okay, bye-bye, Nikki.
Bye-bye.
Congrats.
Our topic for today is about figure of speech. Okay. Figure of speech, it means it means it is a language, it is a figurative language. Uy, a figure of speech, there are 7 types of figure of speech. We call it first simile. Simile is a comparison of two things using using the word ay wala ka bisayon kun word like and as. Simile kwan karang pwede rin mo use ani sentence using like and as. Okay, for example, karon di mo maglabaring o. Kan. I like Rose.
Like.
Ano natawag man siya? Ano ay nga sentence ano natawag man siya simile? Like. Okay, another example. We use na po ani og word as about simile. Sige. Isa may makahatag na po na be. Sentence. Using sentence. Basta kani.
I like
As.
is.
Ako sa as be. As. 3 as at all. Ano siya? sa right. Kaya yung example.
I like anin. I like anin.
Raise your hand. Right hand. Isa mo answer. Okay.
I like anin.
Like, uy, asman. Ano nga, kuan, sentence. Ay lang
I like flowers.
Oh.
I like roses mana. Roses and flowers.